Hey, what's up, y'all? This will be part 3 of my video. I went and bought some polyurethane foam. I'm going to line this box with it. And I'm going to take the gun and insert it down in this polyurethane foam. So, I got my box right here. Got my foam right here. I'm going to start cutting it and get it to fit. So, stay tuned. Okay, what's up, everybody? Okay, I got my foam cut in, and I got the gun traced out. Where the gun gonna be at? I got the gun traced out. So all I gotta do is just cut it out and cut it out. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm about to finish cutting this thing out. Okay, I got it cut out now. So I need to glue it inside the box. Okay, I got it back in the box now. And the piece that I cut out, I'm gonna try to cut that in half and have a liner down here at the bottom. So that's what I'm about to do now. This right here is the piece I cut it. I'm gonna try to cut it in half and put it down so the gun can rest on that. So stay tuned. Okay, I about got it cut in half. This right here gonna be the bottom liner in this spot right here. Okay, I got it cut out. I got the gun part cut out, and I got it kind of synced in there. This right here gonna be the part that the gun rests on. So, okay, I am completely done with this gun lock box. I got the gun inside of here. Let me open it up. This way it look right here, y'all. So, what y'all think? Peace out. Like, comment, and share my video, please. Thank you.